What's up y'all, my name's Jesse with Greatt Builds, and in today's video I'm going to review this Ridgid 18 gauge brad nailer and go over the basic functions and specs for this tool. To start out, the price of this tool at the time of purchase came out to just under $70 before taxes, which seemed to be a very good price compared to other brands available. Another good perk with this nailer is the lifetime warranty that comes included with most all Ridgid branded tools. All you have to do is be sure to register it on the LSA website. On their website, they give you a bunch of videos showing how to exactly register your new tools along with how it all works and what it all covers, so be sure to check it out. Now, while I get this nailer opened up, let's go over the general specs of this tool. This nailer has a fastener range from 5/8 inch all the way up to 2/8 inch nails and can hold up to 110 nails total. This nailer has both a sequential and contact actuation mode, which means it can shoot one nail per trigger pull or shoot a nail every time the nailer is pressed down while holding the trigger. Some cool features it has is both a swivel quick connect as well as a rotating belt clip for easy storage on the job site. My first impressions right out the box is that it is not too heavy, but it does have a decent amount of weight where if you drop it, it feels like it'll withstand a decent fall. The total dry weight of this tool is right at 3 pounds. Included with the nailer is a carrying case along with a manual as well as what looks like a pamphlet showing all the newer models of the tools Ridgid is offering. What is also included is a sheet showing, again, Ridgid's lifetime warranty and how to register your new tools, so be sure to keep this around. And now I'll quickly show you how to use this nailer. To easily control the modes, just press and hold the button on the rear side of the nailer, which will allow you to set the mode from single nail to pretty much a bump fire mode, where each time the nailer is pressed down, it will shoot a nail. There's also a depth gauge right by the trigger to easily set the depth of your nails. To load the nails, just press down the button on the bottom of the magazine, which slides down and lets you place the desired nail size. The Quick Connect has a swivel feature which allows the air hose to move freely, which is really nice. The nailer also comes with 2 extra tips in case it pops off or it gets damaged somehow. One of my favorite features is that the nailer has a quick latch on the top which lets you clear out any nail jams just as fast as they come up. There's a lot of brands that make you take the whole nailer apart pretty much just to get out a jam, and this system lets you get it done quickly and get back to the job at hand. Another nice feature is this rotating belt hook, which is super convenient at the job site. On the magazine, it clearly shows you the range of nails that fit, where it has each size lined up when loading them in. And finally, this nailer is an oil-free motor, which means you won't have to worry about keeping it oiled. Now I'll show you how to load in your nails. This nailer holds a pretty wide range of nails, and loading them is all the exact same way. You'll first press the button on the bottom of the magazine down and insert your nails all the way to the left side of the magazine. Once they're loaded in, slide up the magazine cover until you hear a click, and that's pretty much it. What's nice about this nailer is that the magazine casing is clear, which allows you to see how many nails you've got left, which a lot of brands don't offer. Now let's see how this tool shoots right out of the box. I'll first load in some 1.5 inch nails and use the single nail mode. That means each time you'll need to both press down the trigger as well as press down the nailer to shoot a single nail. and as you can see, every nail shot all the way through without any issues. Now, let's try it in the sequential mode, which lets you hold the trigger down, and every time you press it down, it will shoot a nail. Again, every nail is seated well in this mode without any issue, which should be expected. Now, just for fun, let's use some 2-inch nails, which is the largest nail this tool can handle. I'll try to show you a side view of the nails going through. I know cedar is pretty soft wood, but you should have no problems with most soft to medium strength woods. One last feature that this nailer offers is a dry fire lockout, which won't allow this tool to shoot when you're out of nails. This seems pretty obvious, but a lot of brands do not offer this feature, so you may not know when you're not shooting a nail if you run out. Well, this concludes a quick review and the functionality of this Ridgid brad nailer. I'll leave a link to this tool in the description for y'all to go check it out. I'll also put a quick screen recording of this brad nailer with all the specs and current price at the end of this video. And I really appreciate you watching this video, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and liking this video, as I will be uploading a lot more fun beginner DIY videos along with a bunch more reviews. Thanks again for watching, take care!